I chose a Husqvarna mower when we moved to the house about 6 months ago. It had a large lawn, and one of the first things I was keen to do was obviously not mow the lawn myself. I contacted a local dealer that I had recommended to me, and he came along, we had a long chat, he surveyed the site, and he said Husqvarna would be the perfect solution for what we had here. He gave me the choice of a couple of models, and I chose the one that we have, and here we are. One of the things that's great about the mower is it operates in all conditions, whether it's raining, whether it's occasionally sunny, as it is sometimes in England. But through this wet summer, we've had continual use, no delays, no pauses. It's been fantastic. I don't need to think about whether the mower needs to be charged or how long it's out for. It's all super automatic. It goes back to the base and charges for about 40 minutes charging time, and then it comes out and mows for, frankly, I don't know if it's 2 hours, 3 hours, but all I know is the lawn is mown every day, and that's all I care about. One of the beauties of the mower is the fact that you don't have to rake any clippings or gather up and dispose of any clippings. It takes a tiny amount off, spreads it on the lawn, nothing is visible, and in addition to that, that fertilizes the lawn, keeps the moss down. The mower makes no noise at all, as far as I've ever heard anyway. It mows at night, we've heard nothing at night. We've set it up to mow at night, and no disturbances whatsoever to the night's sleep, no disturbances to the neighbours. The only thing the neighbours have said, in fact, is, why haven't we got one of these? The main lawn we have here is just under 2 acres. The model I have, the 450X, copes with that perfectly. We have a number of overhanging trees, or a lot of overhanging trees and hedges. We have some freestanding trees. Occasionally the 450X that I have will pause underneath those trees or hedges and reconnect with the satellite, and then carry on, coping with all the undulations and the bumps and the slopes on the lawn. We have an orchard area with some paths cut through the kind of wild flower areas, which the mower copes with beautifully, cuts some beautiful little winding paths through there. And we also have a front lawn which the mower goes out to every couple of days, takes itself out there, mows the front lawn in a nice crosshatch pattern, which is the pattern I've selected for the front lawn, before coming back to base and readying itself for the main lawn again. I chose the wire-free boundary option. The dealer came round and set the whole system up. It was extremely painless as far as I was concerned, and everything worked perfectly from day one. So having had the mower for less than 6 months, I haven't needed to do any real maintenance other than changing the blades, I think 3 times probably in that 6-month period. So very low maintenance so far. In terms of security, the mower has a PIN code without which it won't operate. It's paired with the charging station, and if taken away from the charging station, it will no longer operate independently. There's a geofence kind of system where, again, if it's taken outside that area, it won't operate. So there are a whole bunch of security features with the mower. The app is incredibly easy to work with. I use it to see where the mower has been cutting, where the mower is currently. I use it to set stay out zones, or turn them on or turn them off. And I use it perhaps to change the pattern in areas of the lawn from stripes to crosshatch or random cutting. It's very easy to use. So here we have my main lawn area with the pink stay out zones, some of which are active, some of which are not active, the dotted lines. I can amend all kinds of different things here. So for example, if we want to change the pattern of the lawn cutting, I can change it from stripes to checkerboard, or indeed to irregular or triangle. I give my 450X NERA 5 stars out of 5 because I have a perfect finish. I look out of the window, I see someone else doing the work, and I have 10 hours of my week back.